Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a student here at Welding. Today I'm going to go over the safety of welding and the types of equipment that you should have when welding. It's recommended to always wear gauntlet gloves. A lot of sparks are going to be able to come and hit your arm when you're welding, so always wear gloves. Also, you want to wear safety glasses all the time, even over a helmet. You want to wear one of these. This is going to protect your eyes from welders' eyes, and it's really good to have. This is an auto darkening. There's two different kinds of welding that we have available. We have acetylene, oxyacetylene welding, and we have MIG welding. Oxyacetylene welding requires 5 darkness minimum, but the other two kinds of welding are going to require 10, and that's when you're going to need a mask like this. I'm going to put it on now. And now I have it on. You put it up. Make sure you wear your safety glasses as well and your gloves. So now, you have your gloves. Always wear also boots. You want to wear boots, not anything that is flammable, can catch on fire, no shoelaces. You want to wear jeans. You want to wear a cotton shirt. And if you look over here, these people are cutting. They're cutting things. They are welding things together. And you might also want to have ear protection as well if you're very sensitive to the ears. All right. Well, anyways, thank you for watching this video. My name is Christopher Rodriguez, and I'm gonna see if I can get a quick cut on another video for you guys. All right. So when you're welding, you're gonna go ahead. When you have the hose, make sure the hose is always away from the flame. When you come right here, alright, I'll put my mask on.